Hi everybody, my name is Dan, and welcome to my kitchen for another delicious episode of Man Cake. Today we're going to be making lemon cheesecake bars. They're going to be so just fresh and zesty and just so good. I really think you guys are going to enjoy these so much. And all the ingredients and the directions are going to be down below in the description, along with that subscribe button. So if you click that and ring the bell, you can stay up to date on brand new recipes every week. Now let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 325 degrees and get started on this yummy treat. So our first step is to work on the crust. So in a bowl, we're going to take 2 cups of crushed vanilla wafers and add in 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Then we're going to give that a quick little mix around. Now let's go ahead and pour this into our baking pan. Give the crust a nice little firm press and make sure it really covers the bottom for good support for our delicious lemon cheesecake filling. Now let's go ahead and pop this in the oven just for 10 minutes to firm up a little bit and get started on our delicious lemon cheesecake filling. So in a mixing bowl, we're going to add in 32 ounces of softened cream cheese. And we're just going to go ahead and beat that with our hand mixer on a medium speed for about 5 minutes until it's nice and creamy. Once you have your nice and creamy cheesecake texture, we're going to follow that by adding in 1 cup of white sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour, a half teaspoon of vanilla, 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Then we're going to hit this delicious mixture with some fresh lemon zest. Then with our hand mixer again, we're going to go ahead and continue to mix all these ingredients until they're nice and combined. Once you have that all mixed together, we're going to continue adding in 1 egg white and give it a little mix. Then we're going to add in the rest of our eggs, whites and the yolks, adding one at a time and mixing after each addition. 1 egg, give a mix, second egg, give a mix, and 3rd egg. Give a mix. And after that, we will have our delicious, creamy lemon cheesecake filling. Now it's time to throw this into our baking pan and get it ready for the oven. And once you pour your lemon cheesecake filling into your baking pan, give it a nice smooth out with a little spatula. Now we're going to go ahead and pop this in the oven to let bake for 40 minutes. After that bakes, you want to let it cool for an hour and then cover it and pop it in the fridge and let it chill completely for another 4 hours. You guys know how impatient I am with my cheesecake. Trust me when I say it's totally worth it to wait the full 4 hours for these yummy little guys. So once everything's completely chilled out, you just go ahead and cut into squares and you will have your delicious lemon cheesecake bars. They look so good and so perfect. I know you guys are really gonna love these. And if you wanna jazz them up a little bit, you can go ahead and top with some delicious homemade strawberry compote. I'll throw that link down below. It takes like 25 minutes, but it's so good. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below in that little corner and ring the bell. And if you make these perfect, delicious, so good lemon cheesecake bars, definitely give a tag and share them on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. This way I can see all your yummy, delicious creations. And I don't know why I just did that with my hands, but until next week, bye.